Hi, in this video I will show you how to control PotPlayer using the keyboard extension app on your smartphone. Before you begin, pair the keyboard extension app for Windows with the keyboard extension mobile app. When you open PotPlayer on your Windows PC, the corresponding widget will automatically turn on your smartphone. But you can create your own widget for this or any other app with different functionality. I've included a link to a tutorial on creating your own widgets in the pinned comment. With the keyboard extension, you can start and pause playback without using the keyboard or mouse. Or you can stop it completely by tapping the stop button. Tap the next and previous buttons to quickly switch between the files in your playlist. You can also fast forward or rewind playback by 30 seconds. Or restart playback. Keyboard extension lets you speed up or slow down playback. Change the image brightness. Adjust the volume. Or mute the sound completely. Quickly turn the playlist on or off. Activate full screen mode, or switch between preset window sizes. Turn subtitles on and off with a single tap. You can also open files without leaving the PotPlayer interface. There are two options here. Open a file from your PC or enter its URL. Improve your interaction with PotPlayer using keyboard extension.